Deer high.
Would you about to do some reverse entry?
Excuse me? This car can't do it.
Oh.
The hatch, yes.
You have to find the poles because the ride is high today.
Yeah. Alright. Today gonna probably be short. We got some birthday slides. I'm gonna do some birthday sliding. But I didn't really bring any tires because I'm trying to conserve for OSW. And yeah, I'm trying to save them boys. I'm trying to be cheap. So I just got some bullshit 225 45s or something. I'm gonna throw on and just do a couple passes and make sure my coupe is working. So if we take it out to Spring Break Bash at OSW, it'll be good to go because it overboosted last time. And I just changed the wastegate, water pump and stuff, and I want to make sure everything works good. New plugs, all that good stuff. So today's a quick test and tune in all reality. So let's go.